Hello creators, welcome back to my channel. So, you've been asking how DJs upload mixes with those songs that seem to be blocked on YouTube. I get it. I was asking the same thing when I started. Well, worry not, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it's done. If you've been following my channel, you know I already made a video on the basics of uploading mixes to YouTube. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend checking it out first. The link is down below in the description, and up here. That video covers the fundamental process, which I won't be repeating in detail here. Since that video, I've received tons of emails and WhatsApp messages with questions like these. You showed how to upload mixes, but how do DJs use songs that YouTube blocks? I followed your steps, but I see other DJs using the same blocked tracks. What's the secret? First off, thank you for all the feedback. It really helps me create content you want to see. Now, the answer to your questions is actually quite simple: audio and video. Some songs are blocked entirely, both audio and video. Others, however, might only have the video blocked. And that, my friends, is the key. In my previous video, I showed you my mixing process. What I didn't mention, and I apologize for that, is that I always test the audio and video separately before finalizing my mix. This is crucial. If the audio is blocked, listen up, there's nothing you can do. You have to remove that song from your mix, period. But, if only the video is blocked, you have a choice. You can use the song without the original music video. This is how many DJs get around those copyright claims. They use the audio track of the song, but replace the blocked video with something else, maybe visuals, a waveform, or even just a static image. So, to recap, test your audio and video separately. If the audio is blocked, ditch the track. If it's just the video, replace it. Combine this with the methods I showed you in the previous video, link in the description, and you'll be well on your way to uploading your mixes like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified about future tips and tricks. I've got a lot more coming. Let me know if you understood, happen to have any question, or in case there is something you think I should cover on my next video. Until next time, keep creating.